Okay, so our Friday feature this week, La Notte. Truly one of my favorite Never Ash cigars. Very unique. It's a box cut, torpedo tip, 6x52. Comes with a San Andreas wrapper, Sumatra binder, Dominican filler, 5-pack, or you can get a 20-pack. Beautiful box, look at that. Truly a thing of beauty. Nothing better than a full box of brand new cigars. So anyway, just wanted to spend some time featuring La Notte this Friday. Give it a try, great cigar. Even though it is a bit on the darker side, it is surprisingly light. Very, very good smoke. Great draw, good flavor. Give it a try.